This video is about the partial WAN connectivity in Cisco SD-WAN. So we can see in some cases that there is partial WAN connectivity. So this is because all the VHs is not making the full mesh connectivity. So let me go to any of the VH, like suppose DC-R1, and when I will go to the T-lock, I can see that state is partial. Here is partial, right? So it means that it is not full mesh. So what is the reason behind that, and what is the solution? So let's check our topology. This is our topology in which we have 4 sites. This is DC site ID 100, and this is branch 1, 2 and 3. So all have 2 WAN links except these branch 2. So just for example, let's talk about this DC-R1 and B1-R1. So if we will talk about these only these two, so both have 2 WAN transports, internet as well as MPLS. This is internet and this is MPLS transport. The same is here. This is, let me change the color, blue and red. So there is 2 WAN transport. So BFD session like this, from internet to internet, and the second internet to MPLS. Third one is from internet, sorry, MPLS to internet, and fourth is from MPLS to MPLS, right? So there should be 4 BFT sessions between these 2 VHs. I mean, this is the CH. So let's check what's happening on the DC-R1. So BFD sessions. Sorry, command is show BFD. Okay, just hold on a second. Okay, this is the CH. So we have to run so SD-WAN BFD sessions. So this is branch 1 and this site IP is for DC-R1, and let's talk about this IP. The IP for this, let's go to here. So this is 10.6, right? This is the subnet is 10.64. So the IP address here will be 10.6.6. Here the MPLS link, the IP address is 24.26. Here is 26. Here is 5.2, and here is 5.6. Here is .6. So internet link is subnet is 10.5 and MPLS is 10.6, and IP address is here 66, and either and this side dot 2 and 26, right? So first of all, we have to check the BFD session between this CH DC-R1 and B1-R1. So I am on this device and checking the BFD session. So between 2 we must have 4. So 10.16.1, yes, we have the 4 BFD session, that is okay, but 2 of them is down. and we can see that the down is for the different colors, between different colors. So the BFD is up between the same color, but it is down between the different color. So why it is that? So there may be a reachability issue, so let's check the reachability. So before that, just check the BFD session on this. Show BFD session. So source should be 10.5.2 and destination 10.6.6. So where is 10.6.6? Here. So 10.6, 10.5.2, 10.6. Yes, this is. So this is the source IP of internet link of this DCR1, and then the destination is MPLS is down. So let's ping destination 10.6.6.6. This is the destination of branch 1 MPLS IP, MPLS transport, and source 10.5.5.2. it's pinging. So what about other from branch 1? Ping 10.5.5.2, source 10.6.6.6. so it's reachable, that's okay. So let's see the topology. So it is okay. So the reachability from both sides, from different T-locks, different WAN interface is okay, that's fine. Still we have the BFD session down. Is the reachability is there, then down. So actually this is because of the routing issue. So when we check and troubleshoot issue, then we will find that there is a asymmetric routing, because for the BFD session to be up, there should no asymmetric routing, there should symmetric routing. Okay, so just simple, let's check the IP routing. So IP route, so in this IP route we have to check the route for 10.6.6. Here is subnet, this is the route on which we are working. So this is from the BGP and the destination is gigabit 0/2, that is 6625, that is the MPLS link. So whenever the traffic goes for the 10.6.6.6 and 6, it will forward the traffic to 10.6.6.25. this interface means the source will be any of them, both of them. If source will any of them and destination will this 10.6.6, the traffic will go via this, because in the routing table the destination for this subnet is this 25. So this DCR1 will always send the traffic to this 10.6.6.25, that is MPLS router, right? Let me clear that. I cleared that markings, right? So in the DCR1 it is sending traffic to the MPLS link. Now go to the B1R1. So IP route. So in this device we have to check the route for 10.5.5.2, means the subnet is 10.5.5.0/30. So we cannot see any route for 10.5.5.0. So the traffic will go to the default route. So can we check that? Yes, trace route 10.5.5.2. Can we take the source? Yes, 10.6.6.6. Meanwhile, just check. Okay, let it be complete. Meanwhile, just trace route 10.6.6.6. So in the DCR1 it is sending the traffic to MPLS router for this destination, right? Let's check about B1R1. For the this is the internet IP of DCR1, and this is sending the traffic to 10.5.5.5. So let's check here what's happening. This router sorry, branch 1, this is sending the traffic for this 10.5.5 to the gateway 10.5.5.1, which is sorry here, sorry here, right, this link, and this is sending the traffic to this link. So traffic is going whenever we are trying to ping, the traffic is going to this way and returning to this way. So this is asymmetric routing, and we are when we are trying to ping from other side from DC, the traffic is going to this way and returning to this way. So there is asymmetric routing. So in this scenario there cannot be a BFD session. So typically this is the routing issue, right? So we have to fix it first of all. So initially we are talking about the partial WAN connectivity. So basically the partial WAN connectivity is because of the BFD session is not established. That's why it's happening. And we saw that why there is no BFD sessions. So let's check the BFD sessions again. Right, same, right, and the B1R1, so SD1 same. Okay, so so in this video we will not talk about more about the routing. Just I showed you that there is asymmetric routing, so I have to fix it. So what's happening here? So in this router there is a BGP, and for this there is a default route from every WAN edge. So this link is working as a static route, and this is the BGP. So there should be full connectivity, symmetric connectivity for that. So let me fix it, because there is not much I have to tell about this routing. So actually we are only talking about the SD1 partial WAN connectivity, so we will talk less about the routing issues. Okay, so just 1 second. So I told you that the traffic is going from this way, right? So when B1R1 sending to traffic, it is going via this way. So if it is true, then if I will shut down this interface E2/0, then traffic should not drop, right? Because it is correct that traffic is not going this way through the MPLS router, then internet, and this should go. If for the BFD session, traffic should go like this from this interface. Let me go there and go there. So for the BFD session to be up, traffic should go from this side, from here, then it should go to internet router, and then it should go here. That is the correct way. So let me ping from the branch 1, ping 10.5.5.2 source. second. Source 10.6.6.6. Okay, so it is reachable now. So if I will go, when I will go on the MPLS router and shut down this interface E2/0, MPLS shut down, right? Now again try to ping. It is pinging. It's clear that we are not using this way, right? And of course from the routing we can see that, sorry, this DCR1. So IP route again the last time. Then whenever traffic go for the 10.6, it will go to the 10.625, and B1 R1 branch 1, it will go to the default gateway, that is this 5 dot, this internet link 10.5.5.5. here is the IPO.5, right? So let me fix it, but before that can we check show IP route? So if we want the symmetric routing, this C edge must have the 10.5.5.0 route from the BGP, in the BGP, but there is no route in the BGP, because this interface in the BGP, and when the traffic will go to the internet from the different color, it should go via this way. So if this router does not have the route for this internet link in this BGP table, it will not form the BFT session. Okay, so let's go to the MPLS router. Here is the BGP, show run. Here is the BGP, and we have a static route for all the 10.5 internet link. But because this interface, suppose that DCR1, this G is 0/2, it is under BGP, right? So go to DCR1, show run. So 10.6 is under BGP, and also here also yes, 10.6 network 10.6 is under BGP. So the internet link of DCR1, this link, yes, this link should be available in this branch router in the BGP table. So for this we have to do what? Like, look here, 10.5.5.0, this network is having the static route on the MPLS router, but still there is no route on the branch 1 R1. It is connected, the branch 1 R1 is connected through the BGP. So actually we have to do something in the BGP. So we have the network advertise, this network, and these are the direct neighbors, right? So what we have to do, we have to redistribute these static route into the BGP. When we will do that, this network will get redistributed into BGP, and BGP will advertise this static route to all these neighbor, and in that way this route will be reached to the branch 1. So let's do it. and redistribute static. So before that we already know that there is a no show BFD sessions. We already checked multiple times. So there is a no BFD session between different colors, right? So go to the MPLS, redistribute static, right? Now go to the DCR1 or B1R1 and show IP route. So now again, now we have the route in the BGP table for this internet link of DCR1. That's we wanted. So can we check now the show BFD session? So yes, now it's up. There is a BFD session between different, which we are talking about, and go to the DCR1, same. Yes, it's up. So now go to the vManage and go to the main dashboard. There is no partial WAN connectivity. There is 0. And just go to any of them. Go to DCR1, UAS dashboard, go to the T-log, and you can see status is up. There is no partial, there is up. So this is only happened because we made the full mesh connectivity, underlay connectivity. So if we have the full underlay connectivity, then there will be all the BFD connections between different colors. So after that we can see, we can learn about the command color restrict, and we will learn about the hub and spoke topology in some other videos. Thank you.